Welcome to Developmental Portfolios Gone Digital. We're going from old school to new school, saving hundreds of your staff's hours and saving you thousands of dollars in your center as we're doing in ours today. So buckle up, should be exciting. Save thousands of their kids.
Come follow me.
Then this is the channel for you.
You go. It's pretty cool, huh?
All right, so here is an example of a completed portfolio. This is the cover page that you're looking at. Depending on the classroom and the theme that they start out with for the school year, this picture may look different. We start out the portfolio with a personal, social, and emotional development section.
These will all have exactly what you're looking for, what we're tracking, and why we're putting these together. What we watch in the children is they develop, so to explain all that, which is exactly what goes in this section. This will be one of your primary pages, but you can also, we don't have any more, but you can also add some additional pages of any of the photos that you get in these areas.
You're going to see how to take these old school developmental portfolios and go online digital. Again, saving your staff hours, hundreds of hours a year, and thousands of dollars for your center and ours. So jump on in here as we take you through how to build portfolios and how to take it all online. Let's go.
So here is the online portfolio that we will be going to. This one is a sample one that's up, and then we will show you the blank. So we'll be toggling back and forth between the two. This one is one that we created just for a training to see how this was going to work.
In this case, we're going to take a picture of special friends, and then we can send that picture and then send a message to them. Hey, make sure you put this picture in Don and Kim's portfolio under special friends.
Your tech or portfolio designer on the other end is going to receive this so they can play the message.
Hey, make sure you put this picture in Don and Kim's portfolio under special friends.
All right, they're going to be able to come over here. They're going to download the photo. They're going to grab it and literally drag it right into here. You can add additional pictures later into this screen, and off you go. This is how this portfolio is going to be physically built between the classroom to the online portfolio.
All right, we're going to talk about our portfolio tracking sheet. This is brand new. It's a work in progress, but we've got absolutely a great start here. And staff will be able to look at this right on their phone by simply downloading the Google Sheets app, and they can manipulate that. They can't manipulate it, but they can see it right from their phone. All of the manipulation will be done by whoever is building the online portfolios. When they start dropping pictures in there, that's where it'll be manipulated here. So this is a view only for staff. We want to try to take the tracking management out of the staff's responsibility and simply give that to the designer so the staff can simply see what needs to be done. In this case for Blake, they know, gosh, we got to get just one more math piece done and one more in social studies, because when they do that, they'll see that the entire portfolio for Blake gets complete. I hope you found the value of this digital portfolio sequence and how your families are going to be able to enjoy that as a keepsake, but most importantly, being able to have that for the developmental progress and assessment of their kids. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Have you not subscribed? Come on, subscribe to the channel. There's so much more to learn. And we're also going to put a link in this corner for a video of an hour plus training for your staff as we've used for ours to help them get into the digital age. If you found the content of this video resourceful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching.
So I don't even know what I'm composed of.
Yeah, that was bad, huh?